How to last longer in bed naturally. A mania on out of treatment cette expérience prémature éjaculation, or finishing soon tente, answer partner, we would like, 1, in some case, ticamb. A sign of erectile dysfunction, but in most cases embarrassing only to feeling of sexual inadequacy. Will the condition can often be treated with medication. There are ways you can improve your sexual performance without requiring medical treatment. Changing up your sexual routine, practicing foreplay, and taking steps to relax before are examples of ways you can teach yourself to last longer in bed naturally. Preparing for sex. Exercise your PC muscle. You want to work on contracting your pubococcygee, PC, muscle, which is located between your anus and urinary sphincter. To fight, 3. Stopping your flow will plan. When you get it to stop, tight muscle you are working. Give yourself some time to tighten and contract the muscle during it. Day, 3 sets of 15 contractions, which will make it stronger and give you more confidence to use it if you need to slow down. 2. Consider doing OT, similar exercise to work your pelvic muscle, including yoga, Kegel, and pilates. These can allow you to strengthen the muscle, and will give you better control over yourself. 3. Masturbate before sex. Abou en or to before sex, take some time to stimulate yourself and ejaculate. It take some time to recover between finishing, so doing so a little bit before and will help you slow down. 4. Train with the start and stop method. A note way to help yourself last longer to train yourself while masturbating. Get yourself close to finishing, then stop and slowly calm down. Build yourself back up, then calm down again. 5. The technique will help you learn your limit, and offer you can push yourself before the point of no return. Once you know the limit, you will be able to control yourself before getting to the point where you can stop. Stop having sex for a little while. If your problems are related to performance anxiety, it may be helpful to take a little break. Talk to a doctor and your partner. Abou avoiding sex for a set period of time. 6. T2 and losing intimacy. Use the time with intercourse to focus on the type of sexual play. T will help you learn to create pleasure for both yourself and your partner, taking the pressure away when you get back to having sex. Slowing yourself down. Engage in foreplay. Intercourse usually better form and climaxing, but how many not stimuli to get turn. Some foreplay before penetration, such as rubbing, petting, kissing, and giving oral sex can help your partner pleasure while delaying your gratification. 7. Change your position. Sometimes you and your partner get into a rhythm or routine to same position, which will make you anticipate finishing soon. Trying a new position in bed can be distraction, and make you last longer a you think about it feel. 8. A note way to change in the middle of sex. If you start to feel close to finishing, stop and switch around to a note position. 9. On a position to avoid if you are trying to last longer in doggy style. Take on a go position if you want a kick session, but most men will last longer in position like missionary or girl on top. 10. Go slow. Make yourself last longer by giving yourself time between the rust, maybe waiting 3 seconds between in and out stroke. Slowly increase the next 4 to 5 minutes. You don't need to mimic a jacame, a going fast will probably make you finish fast. 11. If you start to feel like you are close, stop trusting and hold yourself inside your partner until you feel in control again. A note way to slow yourself down to focus on the activity. Caress and explore your partner body, using your hands and lips to explore. Practice the 7 and 9 techniques. Sex expert 7 at 7 en 9 technique can help men WHO suffer from premature ejaculation last longer. Dose veine fast in and out. Stroke, followed by in slow stroke, en repéa forte duration of intercourse, 12. Treat pose scale technique. On way for you and your partner to help prevent you from finishing those unit pose scale technique, which involve putting pressure on your penny. When you feel almost ready to ejaculate, have your partner squeeze your penny hurt mid shaft. All for several seconds until your urge to ejaculate a passed. Once your partner let go, wait 30 seconds, then go back to foreplay, 13. You can also try squeezing and pushing the part of your penny. Make a tightening with your index finger and tomb around the base of your shaft. T will help maintain blood flow to keep you erect. You can also press area between your anus and the base of your testicle. Pushing in the area, called perineum, will prevent flow, and help slow down early rolls, 14, 15. Strengthening your confidence. Think confidently about yourself and your ability. Anxiety a tendency to build on itself, meaning that feeling anxious about your performance will make it more likely that you will finish even quicker. Instead, think confidently about your ability to last longer. If you start to feel anxious, stop and take a breath, and think about how you enjoy sex with your partner, rather than your worry of finishing early, 16. Think about psychological difficulty. Some doctors believe that finishing prematurely may be a result of personal problem or bad habit developed in past experience, but in your current relationship and in previously on. By identifying these possible trouble spots, you can better work through them with your partner or a therapist, 17. Some problems from your past include hurrying to climax in order to avoid being discovered, or rushing through sexual encounter to avoid guilt. Talk to your partner. Desire to last longer usually about increasing the pleasure and intimacy for both of you. If they are only become issue recently, or with your current partner, it may be a sign of interpersonal difficulty between the two of you. Consider talking with your partner about your relationship and issue may have arisen recently. Talking to your partner may also demonstrate that you have nothing to worry about. Your partner may not find anything wrong with how long you last. At the same time, your partner may also have some idea for new position and for replay that can increase intimacy and passion, avec at length of time, 18. Visit a therapist. You can consider counseling to work through relationship or issue. A counselor can be particularly helpful in terms of reducing stress and overcoming performance anxiety. If you think your problem are relationship based, you may want to visit a therapist or counselor with your partner, 19. Counseling session tend to be most helpful when combined with drug therapy, so they may not have be the most natural course. Of course, depends on the kind of problem you are having. Type. Premature ejaculation is a diagnosable condition, en finishing early the moment you have it. If it happens sometime, mixed with session where you last much longer, taille normal, en really a diagnosable problem, 20. Average amount of time for sex will vary some depending on the person, but most men go from starting intercourse to ejaculation in about 5 minutes, 21.